Assalamu alaikum. This is the second video of Issb preparation series. In the first video, we knew that initial test is comprised of 4 kinds of tests. And the 4 kinds of tests are screening test, initial interview, initial physical, and initial medical. In this video, we learn what is the screening test and the 4 types of questions in screening test. Moreover, the verbal question, which is the one type of question in screening test, will be covered in detail. Now first, what is the screening test? In simple words, it is a computer-based test. You have to click on the correct option using the computer mouse. With the start of the test, time starts on the computer screen. When the time is up, you cannot use the mouse, means you cannot answer any option. दोस्तों, इसमें कोशिश करें कि कम वक्त में ज़्यादा सवालों के जवाब दें, क्योंकि ये इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट होता है, तो जिसका IQ ज़्यादा होगा वो कम वक्त में ज़्यादा सवाल हल कर सकेगा। इसलिए अगर कोई सवाल हल नहीं हो रहा तो उसे स्किप करके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ना चाहिए ताकि वक्त ज़ाया ना हो। काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट। यू विल फेस 4 काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट. These are verbal, non-verbal, academic, and mechanical. We will learn in detail about all these 4 kinds of questions, but in this video we learn only verbal questions. What is a verbal question? Simply speaking, verbal questions deal in words or sentences. In other words, verbal questions are not expressed in figures, shapes, or diagrams. Let's take a look at an example. Here is the example. Find the odd man out. Chief Minister, Finance Minister, Interior Minister, Foreign Minister. दोस्तों, इस सवाल में आपने वो पैटर्न ढूंढना है जिसकी वजह से एक मिनिस्टर बाकी मिनिस्टर्स से डिफरेंट हो। शायद आपको पता चल गया होगा कि चीफ मिनिस्टर के अलावा बाकी 3 मिनिस्टर्स फेडरल मिनिस्टर्स हैं, इसलिए इस सवाल में चीफ मिनिस्टर ओड मैन है। आपने ये भी देखा कि इस सवाल में कोई शेप डायग्राम नहीं है। नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व वर्बल क्वेश्चंस. In order to solve verbal questions, you have to find the unique pattern or the relationship in the given question, just like as we have found the unique pattern in the previous example. There are hundreds of different kinds of verbal questions on the basis of the unique pattern. Therefore, the more question you solve, the better you can score. अब हम 8 मुख्तलिफ टाइप्स के verbal questions हल करेंगे. Question number 1. What comes next? 2, 3, 5, 8 and then dash. इस सवाल में आपने पैटर्न फाइंड करना है कि कैसे 2 के बाद 3 आया और 3 के बाद 5 और 5 के बाद 8 आया। अगर आप गौर करें तो आपको पता चलेगा कि 2 + 1 = 3, 3 + 2 = 5, 5 + 3 = 8, इसलिए 8 + 4 = 12. So in this question the pattern is adding ascending number starting from 1. Question number 2. Which one does not belong to the group? Fan, iron, radio, glasses. This is a simple question. You may find that apart from glasses, the rest of the 3 items are electronic appliances. Therefore, the odd item is glasses. Question number 3. BCF is to FGJ. Find out KLO is to dash. You can see that in BCF is to FGJ, B is equal to F, C is equal to G, and F is equal to J. And we know that 4th alphabet after B is F. Similarly, 4th alphabet after C is G, and fourth alphabet after F is J. This is the relation, so apply this pattern to KLO. So fourth alphabet after K is O, and fourth alphabet after L is P, and fourth alphabet after O is S. Hence the answer is OPS. Question number 4. Which alphabet, when adds to the word right, makes it a completely new word? Now I try one by one. If I place the alphabet S at the end of the word right, it becomes rights. You know that rights is a word, but it is not a completely new word, because both right and rights have same meaning. Besides rights, no new word is formed when S is put at any place of the word right. Similarly, O or X when added to the word right does not make a new word. But when B is placed at the beginning of the word right, then right becomes bright. That is a new word. So B is the required alphabet. Question number 5. Make a meaningful word of EAGOUCR. In this question, you need to shuffle the irregular alphabets to make it a meaningful word. If you think for a moment, you find that the given alphabet can be rearranged to make the word courage. So, courage will be the answer. About question number 4 and 5, I will tell you that the questions of these types are based on easy and everyday use words, because this is an intelligence test, not a vocabulary test. Question number 6. If GTQX is coded as hurry, then RSNO is coded as dash, and the options are LATE, and the option B RYHUR, option C STOP, and option D ROSN. You can see it is similar to question number 3, but the wording is different. Therefore, I added it in this video. The relationship in this verbal question is a variation in alphabets. In GTQQX is coded as HURRY. You can see that G is to H, and T is equal to U, and Q is equal to R, Q is equal to R, and X is equal to Y. You may find that the alphabets in HURRY is one step ascended as compared to GTQQX. So the next alphabet after R is S, the next alphabet after S is T, the next alphabet after N is O, and the next alphabet after O is P. Therefore, RSNO is coded as STOP. Question number 7. What is the common property? Animal, flower, birds, and the options are forest, eyes, and life. In this question, you need to find the common property among animals, flowers, and birds. Friends, option number A is not common to all of the three, because animals, forest, and birds are not limited to forest, but they are also found in other places like zoo, home, cities, etc. Flowers do not have eyes. Therefore, option C, that is life, is the common property, as all the three are living things. So life is the answer. Now the last question, question number 8. 623 is equal to 126, 154 is equal to 520, 2345 is equal to dash. When you concentrate on it, you may find the pattern that in the first pair 623 is equal to 126. Here 6 is multiplied by 2 is equal to 12, and 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, and therefore 623 is equal to 12, 6. In the second pair, which is 154 is equal to 520, 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5, and 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So 154 is equal to 520 or 520. Therefore, in 2354 is equal to dash, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, and 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Hence, the answer will be 6, 12, 20. So 2345 is equal to 61220. Enough for this video. You must know that these are just 8 types of questions having 8 types of different relationships. There may be 100 kinds of relationships. The more kinds of question you solve, the better you get prepared.